We should my mom acquire by Vagan and MTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime I post a video, BTC will stand by KB. Sure, my maker has a major NPP for me. Say they have stopped talking about a third term conversation. Now start here. In fact, conversation start here. There, I added my voice to it, and the reason I added my voice was because genuinely I felt it's even a disgrace for somebody to even come up with that conversation in the first place. And now my video be quite trendy. I was talking about the fact I'll be sorry to say, but we be our cast at them with Jimmy. But me who say that agenda we no. Chairman Asiedu Nketiah anka sankwa nebe na ompini so. Chairman Asiedu Nketiah. As long as he lives, Konimu onya tete. Because chairman person be president. Now, only say first, I thought chairman was joking about the whole thing. For real, like seriously, I thought chairman was joking about the whole thing. And you know, I've been following news for some time, and I follow the chronology of things. Senyame Sisia, I try to follow. Chairman Asiedu Nketiah had, I think, was it an interview with Paul? So then, but he had an interview. And inside interview, that was before 2024 election. It was before President John Dramani Mahama Ben the running mate. Now, Chairman Asiedu Nketiah in that interview sought to suggest, say, Omampeni John Mahama, Eshe say Onu Asiedu Nketiah, NA good to be in running meter, Onu Asiedu Nketiah on declining. Now, I was thinking then, say he was saying it on a lighter note. Until recently, our chairman, I don't know one, or thank you to, or share suity, and all of them say, hey. Then indeed it meant, say, Chairman Asiedu Nketiah wanted to be the running mate of John Mahama. And for whatever reason, maybe John Mahama, His Excellency, did not see him fit, say, Obene running mate. And he says that decision, who knows, say, on your worthy of being a running mate, it sparked this whole, I want to also be president agenda and desire with the chairman. And the chairman, them say, already age is against him. Chairman Asiedu Nketiah, I think he'll be in his late 60s or early 70s. I think Chairman Asiedu Nketiah is in his late 60s. Right? I wish I could check Chairman Asiedu Nketiah age this year. Mami check him. So how do we deal with records? And see Asiedu Nketiah age. Asiedu Nketiah age. And 69 years, so I was right. The Chairman Asiedu Nketiah is already 69 years. And no Chairman Asiedu Nketiah himself cannot afford, to allow for John Mahama to go for a third term. Mahama called third term, but the dream, Asiedu Nketiah's dream of becoming flag bearer of NDC and with the possibility of being elected President of the Republic of Ghana, truncated Chairman Asiedu Nketiah opinion China. And take a battle we cried there, and the NPP for let's sleep. It's going to be an internal NDC battle. It's going to be Tim Johnson against Tim Tete. Simple as that. And so I just wanted to report that to you.
Iyoko statement on by Steve said Nina together.
Embom because first. Gerald Apiano a staff, not a staff for baby Anamrakos as an accountant. There was an audit infraction. Mind the Auditor General then the flag said, I say there was this questionable payment that was made. Okay. It was around 540,000 cedis or so.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So 55 million.
No. The one on C. Gerald has started paying. It is not the 55 million one.
It's not a 55.
I'm telling you. Because I spoke to Gerald's lawyers yesterday.
But per way saying they didn't state
so that's what I'm saying. Say, we need to be careful. Say, unless the strategy of Yoko is to link SAR issue to to that of Miracles. But the accountant, according to the lawyers, his lawyers, has said, in the interrogation room, he was clear and consistent that it has nothing to do with Miracles. However, that audit infraction that was flagged, was around 540,000, a little over 500,000. Then the gentleman was surcharged. Senna Auditor General, there's some payment you cannot account for because you'll be surcharged. So the gentleman was asked to refund that money. And now what you this was before Yoko for on this petition matter. What you when Yoko came in, now aka 70,000. This is according to his lawyers. And I knew we did Hong Kong. So 70,000, no, just in what you are 70,000.
Okay.
So it cannot be
out of 100 and something,
out of 500 and something.
Oh, 500 and something thousand.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
See this.
This is almost done.
Almost done. And the permanent institution a 3 months payment period to clear that 70,000.
Oh, okay.
So this is according to his lawyers. So they themselves were surprised. It is still being linked to the 55 million. Me, I'm not here to absolve Miracles of blame or to pronounce him guilty. It's the circumstances surrounding the arrest that the NPP feels that it looks contrived, it looks politically motivated, because Nipani a loud-mouthed critic of the government. And he has been consistent in his criticism. Interestingly, the day Miracles also traveled, I think he traveled on Saturday or Sunday. The Saturday, he was on Newsfar. Nipanam say he's a known quantity. He was on TV. The day before he traveled.
My producer Kombo was even confused. But Saturday, no,
he was on TV. And once again, he took on government on some of the issues. It be a Galamsey matters, it be a present term, and those matters.
Also, you think that maybe the way of criticizing the government.
As for, look, government should not necessarily be comfortable with criticism. You should not. That's the beauty of democracy. In the chamber of parliament, you can have heated debate. Your own brother, you can criticize even his position on a matter. You shouldn't always be comfortable with criticisms from the opposition. But the opposition owes it as a sacred duty to also scrutinize the work of government. That is why you have an elected opposition. And yes, sir, you are going to have a totalitarian regime.
Okay.
Where Obi Entimin can be. So that's why your producer was even confused. The person was on TV. So this person, no on TV. If they stop list Kotoneso, when the person's lawyers are in constant touch with Yoko. So it's just to one, embarrass you, two, to show you where power lies. But now me can say, I'm worried for NDC appointees under President Mahama. They may have to dot every I and cross every T. Because just as your accountability today, there will have to be accountability tomorrow. Yes, they have to be worried. And I'm happy the appointees of NDC, the reasonable ones who reaches out, they are worried, including their party officials. Sir, I'm telling you. Who reach out, they are also worried because they know that it's a human institution. You may not always get it right, just that you shouldn't deliberately get it wrong with procurement infractions, financial misappropriation.
No, whether deliberate and not saying you're deliberate, and I think you have to be accountable.
So you have to be accountable. I'm saying, you're them run a roll. If I need to see you, I'm in touch with your producer. See, we may have very vivid explanation. I'm in touch with your producer. Now, me no Curtis Makwaka say, oh, say UTV for no domo trauma, or from Cromon for host no sebe umunipa. You'll be sad and upset because so when I'm from a minimum producer number, so I know where to get you. So it's the perfect picture I have painted. So today, the lawyers and together with friends, together with party, are looking at the best option.
Office your one, Dennis don't have any superior over him. And there is no document that ties Miracles Abuaji to it. This is the best friend of the guy here. Gerard the omujina ne so omo person omo de charge miracle yi so. Now to the part that breaks my heart. Okay. Sir Auditor General report ba Sir Marcus the amesumesua kakra ne say omo ko parliament na wekoyi ho ano. Sir eyade a omesapoperative bibia na ama watua bia na say yepe kwan bi de ye wayi. Say ye criminal ye do utum say ye criminal na ama watua na ade. Ebi so wo ho a omoka so okay the out ntechemu ade ba ye ni na ye nti ne recommendation as say Auditor General Committee ne kan ye nti na no na say so mu betumi a momfa so mfa nya adwuma me dey say kakra enti ase kakra menim about Auditor General no. Gerard appeared in Parliament to answer questions. Dennis Miracle's name never came up. Afei, about some weeks ago, Dennis get invited to the Yoko. One of the lawyers. And also Semaku Suwaha. Now you are interrogating for close to 4 hours. You yes, okra na ade no. Cheda nya yibia nti no. Call baby. Na ye hia wa ye be den, ye be frɛ. After some weeks until I say, hey, na mo friend me ba mo ho na ade mo nya information bi abio wa na. O se dey. Na miracles. And yes, to kwan free Togo no ade kwa ebruchire of Ghana airport. Mo wo bibi won ho manche no. Nti anka miracle ye guilty a. San kokọ yanka o ma wo. Pacho, so what the American I say. Some catch us as uncle for no politics. Enya politics no mu yo. Omo beye na dere pre. No mo nya for damn phobia. Omo support omo kwasi asem no omo ye. Onipa ne corner or womo authority no manche no. Obedu ya mosemaye den mache no with immigration. Na kamunya bibi enfan cover. Kakra minim ni say Sir Marcus, Mpacho Ghana Police Service, we both we issue statement at one secretary, another one who you pay be signature on Shahwa.
It's supposed to be on it.
This is the first time we have seen an Iyoko. We have seen
Ghana
we have seen an Iyoko letter with Dennis spelled as DENISS with nobody to sign. Those are the charges.
Pink sheet were not signed. Our Supreme Court ruled that people had invested their energies in the voting. Once it has not been signed, we cannot nullify the right of people because it has not been signed.
We are joking, we are joking as a country. Na my shoe, medema no sino. Na ubi abemuno. Dia me pesa me can say. Yenim camera movement for yenim mo. Amodi e ka mo kwanka de bia yenchi NPP ni baako. Na monko jina nim, na monko kan. It will never happen again. It will never happen again. Ade chane abeti maestro. This is the last time, last one yebe. Yete hani abeti ba umia. Yete hwa na one day abeti ba umia.
I've even forgotten Pocho just when him say this NDC guy, they are not scared of Dr. Baumia.
At all.
Sure, even that Dr. Baumia a personal bodyguard. The NDC attacked that man.
Yes, they did. They did. They went to his house. They went to his house and destroyed everything. Only in America there. You see, Sir Marcus, we are in a very terrible time. And me pray and say, dia echo swing nano. Osunu kukurukum manankasa. Osunu kukurukum manankasa no. Omuhuni said we are not in a normal time. And they must rise to save their party. Me say, Yateha. And one day I be catching say ya che Dr. Bawumi Adenako Yoku Adinti I say a more bag me and sebi a fan office in Tiachen Umeyano. And also Ubenya macho voice for we want to make it clear. We want to make ya designer. Ya both from glasses to shoes, socks to crash any designer. Substance near empty. It's about time for us to fight for our party. The Baumiakra now penasemo for now your party is in danger.
Exactly.
Because and then they can just fabricate anything. They say NDC Papa, NDP before say, yeah, Coco, no, but they good cage. Which they are making. Oh, emoji, Charlie Muti. Oh,
Emoji. Me too. Why?
One of them.
Felix. Osa se kasama NPP. Ade apa na wonya.
Menya wuni anya wo se.
Emoji. Inte kwasi adama.
No, when you there,
Wuni chekan no. Ene wo se kotoboto no. Eno na Felix enya. Felix akasa me NPP. Oni shikro when yonyam ese mo president Mahama kwasi ampani no. Felix e wo integrity. Ese Mahama jimifo no. Felix e wo audience. Ese Mahama kwasi
Siabuta. Let me tell you the strategy of the NDC. Provocation is one of the strategy what they are mohonon kofune there. Anytime nkofuro kasembia and we have 150 people.
I be giving no, me giving.
Yes, when you just go beyond this number, there are a lot of people who are listening. Indeed, they should send such goons. You are a goon. The
baby out there, me mutual was one. The one to be put away, no what say, oh, 1 year, into what one or process nonsense.
It will provoke people and then we would divert the attention.
Felix
they don't understand
integrity. Everyone will choose Felix over Mahama.
Question could be said.
What is the Felix? What is the Felix? What you bribe before though? A poor punching will shine a chimney phone at Mahama and Yansafo and Titru about your phone at your Felix. Kwasiam pafwo agegenchie entwamwa ene tie Mahama enyansafo
jealousy
adehye ene tie Felix kwasia me woni say Mahama for the time I team Mahama ka 2007 2006 woni say me tie Mahama enkasa 10 minutes da de bia ni accept say na short videos na me tie I can't even stand him kwasiam penny we aboa punch we